event like this is so important because we really have reached a point in time we need to work together in a different way. We need to innovate quicker and better than ever before. That takes partnership, that takes communication. So this forum brings everyone together to achieve that common mission.
An event like today is really important because we know the challenges to make the transport system more sustainable, both in terms of decarbonising it and making it more resilient, are pretty considerable. And no single organisation is going to have all of the answers to how we go about doing that. So we need to collaborate as widely as we can with as many people as we can reach. We need to draw on as much evidence and information as we can get our hands on. And the more that we throw open the questions that we're trying to answer to as broad as possible as community, then the more likely we are to get interesting, useful and successful ideas and solutions to some of the problems we're trying to address.
For me, one of the main benefits of today is getting together with a unique group of people that I wouldn't otherwise get together with. The great variety of people from the public sector, from national to local level, from academic circles, from those really at the forefront of research, to those that are on the commercial front line. Not conversations I get to have every day, and they are incredibly useful.
I think that the relationships that we build across these sectors and these industries is how we can all move forward. So my hope from today would be that genuine relationships allow us to continue these discussions, but to move from the talking shop, as has been spoken of so often, into actual projects. How can we weave together the partners necessary to make investable propositions that mean we see new charging, new fueling, new vehicles on our roads?
Our industry is made up of many stakeholders and interests, and if we're going to make the right decisions for strategy and ultimately delivery, we've got to understand how everybody interacts and what our interests are.
It's not just one sector or two sectors or three sectors, it's such a wide range of industries that need to move together in concert. So we have to continue speaking to each other.
We're also dealing with a topic here that is absolutely societal, behavioural, as well as all the technological bases from particularly the energy and the transport sectors. Freight is key to economic growth and sustainability, and we've got to get this one right as a country.
So my main takeaway from the event is that there is a lot of passion, there's a lot of ambition and interest, a real willingness for people to put their heads together and see what kind of ideas we can generate collectively.
Key takeaway for me is that decarbonising freight is hard but necessary, and that we need to continue to look at all the options on how we achieve it, because there isn't going to be a single solution. It's not going to come from one mind or one place. No one has a monopoly on the technology, the good ideas. Again, it needs all the people in the room here today, from government, from commercial entities, from academia, put the collective brains together to help us get to net zero. It's the only way it's going to happen.
The time has come. Let's co-create this future system together for the benefit of everyone.